Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Minda Industries. Minda Ind is the ticker name, and this is what you're watching is a monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that are deployed in the stock, and these are all the graphs that are generated by these technical indicators. And regarding technical analysis data, we have data since 2014 onwards up to 2017 November 16th. Okay, coming to the historical price path pattern of the stock, I take this particular point as origin. Why? Because from here only the stock started moving in the upward direction. Yeah, from here I think I can say. Uh, October 2015 onward, the stock started moving in the upward direction, making a new high, and the second high is this one. That's it. So far, it made only two highs as per us, as per our analysis. One is this one at 199 was the peak price, and second one is 913. So the second high, I mean the difference between first high and second high, I mean literally some 800 rupees difference approximately. And then it started going for consolidation, and but again, it started moving in the upward direction. Yeah. And in November, the stock in November alone, the stock has given. Right now, the stock is trading at 1035, and in November alone, the stock has started from 842, and today it reached 1035. So nearly 100 and 150 and God, nearly 170 to 180 rupees it has given per share in November alone. So today is November 16th. So still 15 more days to go, and this stock has already given this much 180 rupees, 180 rupees per share, and profit to its investors is really good. And as per Economic Times, this stock has given in the last 5 years nearly 2000 plus percentage profit to its investors. That's what it is saying. Okay, good. And now the stock has already crossed its okay guys, this is the proof of the stock. You can see the potential of the stock, how, I mean, regarding the profit margins. Okay, now the stock has already crossed its 20 and 50 day moving averages, and and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. Very good. If you look at the RSI is peaking up. Literally, it is playing on top of the 80 line, and it is making a nice look there. Very good. Direction strength is increasing. I am keeping the crosshairs here for your understanding. You can see the slope that the black line is making towards the upward direction. And if you look both the positive and negative lines, I mean the green and red lines, they are diverging, creating huge space between them, which is directly proportional to the direction strength of the stock. And stochastics is the both lines are playing on top of the 80 line, and yeah, right now you can see the slow line on top of the fast line. That means the red line on top of the fast line, but on top of the black line. That's okay. But both lines are playing, both lines playing on top of the 80 line. That is positive thing. And if you look at the volume change, volume, again I am keeping the crosshairs here for your understanding. You can see the nice slope that the volume is volume is making. It is moving in the upward direction. If you look at the momentum is picking up actually. If you look at the tip of the momentum, it is directly looking in the upward direction, and it is both the momentum graph is playing on top of the baseline, which is the zero line. That's very good. And if you look at the balance of power, clearly the balance of power is on the bullish side, and even if you look at the tip, it is looking in the upward direction. That means the bullish phase is going to increase. And let's consolidate, let's verify whether this is right or wrong. And now we need to look at the elder ray also. We can clearly see that the green bar, which indicates the bullish phase, has increased. I'm keeping the crosses here so that you can clearly see actually how much this small percentage, what you're seeing is has given the strength to the stock to move up here. Okay. And the red one, the red histogram bar is indicates the bearish phase, and it is coming down. Clearly, you can clearly see the size, right? So this is what we want as an investor, and who is looking for, I mean, as a long-term investor who always looks for new highs, who wants to see new highs in a particular stock. Then we want this kind of patterns, this kind of signals, this kind of guiding points, positive guiding points from the stock. So I think as per me, all the indicators are giving very good, I mean, are very strong, and they are giving, they are throwing good points, I mean, good signals. And even the performance of the stock in the last few years and 3 4 years is also terrific. It had already proven itself, and now again it is continuing its upward journey. This is what we want. And as per me, as per my analysis, this stock can be considered for long-term investment, and this is the right time to invest in the stock. And if you are not invested so far, then this is the right time to consider the stock for investment. And if you had already invested, you know how, you might have already got so much profit per share on the stock in Minda Industries. Yeah, this is so the guys who are yet to make an investment, make sure that uh, during the consolidation phase, if you buy the stock, then you get you can get the stock at a little bit cheap price. Otherwise, when it is rising, when it start rising, then you have to shell out more money. So always, whenever you come across this kind of stocks, you keep them in your under your observation, and make sure whenever they go into consolidation phase, that time you have to buy the stock. If at all you want to invest. So that is the strategy that you need to follow. Okay, guys, that is the conclusion. Stock can be considered for long-term investment, and this is the right time to invest in the stock. Okay, guys, if you like this video, do you like this analysis? Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.